8-inch cooking surface. Cook 6 quesadilla wedges on the large 8-inch non-stick cooking surface in just under 5 minutes. Cheesy, melty and delicious snacks. Easy cleanup. When you're done making the quesadillas on the non-stick hot plate, simply wipe clean the cooking surface. Do not use abrasive cleansers. Compact storage. The unit stands vertical for a convenient and tidy upright storage after you're done cooking. Drainage rim and drip tray. Catch any drippings in the drip tray located underneath the unit. Reduce grease for a healthy snack. Indicator lights. 2 indicator lights let you know when the unit has power and when the unit is preheated and ready for cooking. Enjoy quesadillas with tasty melted cheese and perfectly partitioned pieces anytime, day or night when you cook with the Elite Gourmet 8 Quesadilla Maker. All it takes is 1 or 2 tortillas, your favorite ingredients like meats, veggies and of course cheese for a quick meal or snack. Uniquely designed non-stick cooking plates heat and cook fast and create 6-piece quesadillas for your family and friends. It's easy to clean, simply wipe the non-stick plates and store for next time. Top reviews from the United States. Great for quick snack, cooks fast, even and cleans easily. I was so happy this particular quesadilla maker was still around, because I broke my brother-in-law's and had to replace it. It works great and I've already made several quesadillas. I would recommend being very careful with the little chili pepper closure, because that was the first thing that broke off on the original. The zigzag pattern also wore off the first one within about a year of use and washing. It's a good product and it didn't just break out of the blue. I had to replace it because I had it sitting on the stove when I was making tea and turned on the wrong burner. Yep. So as long as nothing like that is happening to it, it's very sturdy, with the exception of the pepper. I think it's a really cute design and worth having one around if you love quesadillas like we do. 8103